What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got with me a Honda Jazz, as you already see in the title. So this is the hybrid Honda Jazz, and it's basically a 15,000 kilometer car, about 2 years old. But the paint has been polished by the used car dealer, and the tail lights are extremely scratched up. The paint is actually a bit hazy. I mean, it doesn't look obvious, but when you shine a light on it, it's there. So today's work will be to restore the tail lights, possibly the headlights, and then polish the entire car, remove all the damages, and then finish it off with a layer of coating. So make sure you guys stay tuned, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications. If you got any questions, comment in the comment section below and I try to answer them, and I'll see you guys at the end. Yo guys, so it's been 3 days since I worked on this Honda Jazz, and I'll say it's pretty damn impressive. The shine, the gloss and everything, it's really a full package. Overall the car is pretty good, besides on the passenger side door it's been repainted, which required a little bit more attention. The tail lights, unfortunately I couldn't like do a flawless finish, but I would say maybe a 90%. So I'm now going to head out and send the car back to my client. So it's going to be a 1 hour journey and then a 1 hour journey back. Hope you guys enjoyed the restoration process of this Honda Jazz Hybrid. Make sure you guys like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications. If you got any questions, comment in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video.